Hi, this is Monica of Knitted Wishes. Today I would like to show you how to work the brioche knit or bark stitch. Whenever you come to a slip-on yarn over from the previous row or round, you're going to work both the yarn over and the stitch together as one stitch. This will create a brioche knit stitch or bark stitch. Insert your right hand needle into both the stitch and its yarn over and knit them together. And here you have a brioche knit stitch. One more time. Here is the slip-on yarn over from the previous row. Insert your right hand needle into both the stitch and its yarn over and knit them together.